Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing an extreme slime makeover. I'm only going to be doing one slime though, so yeah. So like and subscribe, let's get on with the video.
Hey guys, so this is the slime I'm going to be fixing. It has it's not moldy or anything. It has like 3 colors, pink, brown, and blue. But I have some pads to make like a cloud cream slime, hopefully. And I have some water. I don't think I'm going to need both of them. I think I'm only going to need 1 container of water, but we'll see. And I also have some Suave lotion. Look at this grossness. Just look at it. Just look. Look. It's really glossy though, I must say. It is very glossy. But look at this grossness. Like what? What? So it's really hard, first of all. It has like dry foam beads in the middle. What the heck? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dry part off. Because you don't want that dry slime in the slime that I'm going to be fixing. This slime's so hard. Why? No foam beads are going to go over my carpet. Okay, this is all I can get. The slime is just way too hard, like, until it's really a rock. Look at the mess it made. Look at this. What is this? What I do is add lotion. Okay, after all that mess, the lotion did like absolutely
Nothing?
Since that lotion's not working, oh my gosh, I'm so dumb.
Since the lotion is not working, I'm just gonna go straight to the pad. This is like literally as hard as a rock. Go check out my video. It's called How to Make Cloud Cream Pads or Diapers. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the water in here. Oh, great job, Mari.
Guys, why the heck am I poking
And I
a
have hot
freaking
water?
pad? Like it's
I use
slime
hot
or
water?
something.
I'm gonna be coloring it blue.
Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this dope video. Like and subscribe. Peace, y'all.